Alrighty, I just got my T-Mobile variant of the OnePlus 7 Pro in today. I have been waiting for this bad baby to come for a whole 2 days. Let's get this party started. Alrighty, good old box cutter. It's my dad's, don't judge me. Let's break the seals off of this bad baby. I have never actually done this with a box cutter. I am going to tear this box up. There we go. Slide that off to the side. Remember to put your knife back in. I'm going to slide the top off here. Get a box. The OnePlus Red. Let's see what all comes in here. Look at that. It comes with a clear case. Definitely going to use that because I do have the Nebula Blue. We got an instruction manual, SIM ejector tool, which actually I don't think one came with my last. Yeah, I don't think one came with my last 6T. Got some stickers. Nothing fancy. Just slide this off to the side. Definitely going to use that case. Here is where the party begins. Let's pull this little lift tab up here. It's my first time ever doing an unboxing, so this is a little weird. We have the device. Oh, let's take this plastic off nice and quiet for us. That is what I call beautiful. This thing here. Let's get this powered on. Oh, wait. Alert slider. Does it have any juice? Yes, it does. Slide this off to the side. Check out what's in the box. I am horrible at pulling these things up. So, the brick is a little more narrow than the last one. See, you get the warp charging branding on here. Oh God, I am so happy they make these lift tabs because I absolutely suck at this. Get your USB cable, and that's pretty much what all comes in the box. This bad baby is booted up. Let's get it rolling. Alrighty, it is asking for my Wi-Fi password. You can't have it. Next is going to ask, do I want to copy data from another device? Don't copy. Alrighty, time for me to sign into my email. Alrighty, we are at the fingerprint setup. Set this bad baby up. I'm going to actually go off camera here and not give you what my password is going to be. I am one of those private people. Don't show notifications at all. Let's see. So here, this fingerprint scanner is a bit quicker than the last scanner that they had on the 6T, which is actually what I'm recording on at the moment. Now they want us to put in the edges. Just going to move your finger around here. Make sure it gets in good. I'll only do one finger for the video. I'll set up my other fingers later. Next. Google Assistant. I agree. I don't want to go through this right now. Be back. So for the sake of the video, I won't add any other biometrics. Don't want to add anything else. Sorry, I don't understand. My Google Home is going off in the back. So we have our gestures here. Turn on the flashlight with a V. Double tap to wake up. Draw a circle to open the camera and the music controls. I actually like all of those set up. Going to keep the display natural. Wizard of Oz. Font. T-Mobile stuff. Accept. And we are in the home screen. Yes, we're going to allow. I think out the box is actually running at 60 hertz. Nope, it's actually running at 90. So you see here with the new OnePlus 7 Pro, you get the 90 hertz refresh rate for the display. And this baby is a beauty. I can't wait to actually sit down and play with it a bit. I'm going to bring a bunch of custom ROM videos, how to root, so forth. All of that good stuff. Before I go though, tell me that is not amazing. That's it for the video, guys. I'm going to just go out of the camera here. Give it one more spin around. Let's see how the case fits on. I literally almost dropped it. Let's see how that front camera works with the case. Just about perfect. Hope you all have a good one. This was Gen 3 Tech TV. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.